Did you know that most seniors are not getting enough protein, which can accelerate muscle loss? Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. It's something you can actively prevent. In this video, we'll break down how much protein you really need, why timing matters, and how to get enough, even if your appetite is lower than it used to be. Most adults are told to get 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day, but this recommendation is based on younger, more active individuals. For seniors, the need is higher to support muscle maintenance. Research suggests seniors should aim for 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For those at risk of rapid muscle loss, the number can even go up to 1.5 grams per kilogram. Now, those numbers, grams per kilogram, might sound a bit technical, and figuring out how that translates to food can seem tricky at first. Don't worry. To make this easier to follow along and refer back to later, we've created a free PDF protein cheat sheet. It includes food lists with protein amounts, calculation steps, and meal tips. You can find the link to get this guide in the description below this video. Okay, let's break down what those recommendations mean with a practical example. If you weigh 150 pounds, or about 68 kilograms, you should be aiming for 68 to 82 grams of protein each day. It's an achievable amount, but how do you make sure you're getting that much? Now, when we talk about grams of protein, it's important to note that this isn't the same as the weight of the food. For instance, a piece of meat might weigh 4 ounces, which is about 113 grams. But that doesn't mean it contains 113 grams of protein. The actual protein content varies by food. Here are some common foods and their protein amounts per typical serving. Chicken breast, 3 ounces or 85 grams, provides 25 grams of protein. Salmon, 3 ounces or 85 grams, provides 22 grams of protein. Egg, 1 large egg, provides 6 grams of protein. Greek yogurt, 1 cup or 245 grams, provides 20 grams of protein. Cottage cheese, 1/2 cup or 120 grams, provides 14 grams of protein. Tofu, 3 ounces or 85 grams, provides 8 grams of protein. Lentils, 1/2 cup cooked or 100 grams, provides 9 grams of protein. Remember to download your free cheat sheet for more examples. These are just a few, and you can see how easy it is to reach your daily protein goal with these foods. A simple 3-ounce serving of chicken breast can already contribute a significant portion of your daily protein needs. If you're aiming for 68 to 82 grams of protein, eating protein-rich foods like these at every meal will make that goal attainable. If you're not eating enough protein, your muscles can start to break down more quickly. This can make daily activities like walking, standing up, or even lifting a grocery bag feel more difficult. As muscle mass decreases, so does your strength and independence. It's not just about how much protein you eat, it's also about when you eat it. Studies show that spreading protein intake throughout the day, at each meal, helps your body absorb and use it more effectively. Eating 20 to 30 grams of protein at each main meal ensures that your body has a steady supply of protein for muscle repair and growth. For example, if you're only eating a large portion of protein at dinner, your muscles won't have enough fuel throughout the day to maintain their strength. The key is consistency. If you aim to get 20 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you'll be able to meet your daily goal in a way that helps preserve your muscle mass. Here's how you can break it down. Breakfast. Start your day with protein, a couple of eggs, which contain 12 grams of protein, or a smoothie with Greek yogurt, which provides 20 grams of protein, is a great start. Lunch. A 3-ounce piece of chicken, which has 25 grams of protein, or a serving of lentils, which has 9 grams of protein, will keep your protein levels up. Dinner. Finish the day with another 20 to 30 grams of protein, such as a piece of salmon, 22 grams of protein, or cottage cheese, 14 grams of protein. Adding protein-rich snacks like a handful of almonds, 6 grams of protein, or a protein shake, 20 to 30 grams of protein, can also help you spread your intake across the day. If you're consistently not getting enough protein, your muscles will begin to shrink. This is known as muscle atrophy, leading to a loss of strength, energy, and balance. One of the most dangerous consequences is that this weakness makes you more prone to falls, as your ability to maintain balance and react quickly declines. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury and hospitalization for seniors. In addition to these physical risks, muscle loss can also impact your mental and emotional health. Feeling weaker or more fatigued can affect your confidence and independence, which can lead to feelings of frustration and isolation. If you're dealing with a smaller appetite, getting enough protein can be tough. But even with a smaller appetite, you can still meet your protein needs by choosing nutrient-dense, high-protein foods. For example, a single egg has 6 grams of protein, and a small piece of fish can provide 20 grams of protein. These smaller portions can add up throughout the day. Protein shakes are a great option for seniors with a reduced appetite. They're easy to consume and provide a concentrated source of protein without requiring you to eat a large meal. A protein shake can provide 20 to 30 grams of protein in one serving, which is a simple way to supplement your intake. Here are a few simple ways to get more protein in your diet, even if your appetite isn't what it used to be. Start your day with protein. Include eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie for breakfast. It'll set a good foundation for the rest of the day. Snack on protein. A handful of almonds, a small piece of cheese, or a boiled egg can be quick, protein-packed snacks. Use protein supplements. Protein shakes or bars can help you hit your daily target without needing to eat a full meal. Choose protein-rich foods. Focus on lean meats, fish, dairy, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging, but it's not something you have to accept. When you don't get enough protein, your muscles begin to shrink, leading to a loss of strength, energy, and balance. Without sufficient protein, this process happens faster, putting you at risk of losing mobility and independence. However, by adjusting your diet and getting enough protein each day, you can slow down or even prevent muscle loss, maintaining strength, independence, and better overall health as you age. So remember, aim for that 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram daily, spread throughout your meals. And if appetite is low, focus on those nutrient-dense options or consider supplements. You don't need to guess what your body needs. With the right protein intake and timing, you'll preserve muscle mass, maintain your independence, and stay strong as you age. If this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and strong as you age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.